Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the kinematics. Now, today we derive the equation of motion V equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now here three fundamental equation of motion. First v equal to dx by dt, and second acceleration a equal to dv by dt, and also acceleration can be written as v dv by dt. Now first of all we study about the acceleration time graph. Time taken at the x-axis and acceleration taken in the y-axis. Here this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now this is a instantaneous acceleration time graph, so that a can be written as dv by dt, and here a dt equal to dv, so that dv is equal to area of the strip between t and t plus delta t. Here t and this strip delta t plus delta t here. Now area under the acceleration time graph gives us change in velocity in a particular time of interval, so that we can write the area equal to v minus u, and we can write the area equal to v minus u. We use the sign plus or minus that used in the coordinate geometry here. Now case of constant acceleration, here in this case at t is equal to 0 and t is equal to at t, that acceleration is a, so that rectangle area of rectangle is equal to length and breadth. In this case a and t, at t is equal to 0 velocity, initial velocity u, and up at time t equal to t, here the velocity will be v, this is the final velocity, so that we can write the area at is equal to v minus u, area at equal to v minus u, so that u comes here, at u plus at is equal to v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion here. Now here velocity time graph. In this case we take the velocity at y-axis and time at the x-axis. The velocity at a particular time is called instantaneous velocity. This graph gives us instantaneous velocity here. As we know that v is equal to dx by v is equal to dx by dt, and it means that dx is equal to v dt. V dt means this is v and dt, length and breadth, that is area of the strip. This is the area of the strip here at time t. Velocity v and t plus delta t, velocity will be v plus delta v, so that here dx is equal to v dt, area of the strips. Area under velocity time graph, area under velocity time graph gives us displacement. In this case we measure the area, that area denote the displacement. जब ग्राफ ऊपर रहेगा तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट पॉजिटिव होगा, जब नीचे आएगा तो निगेटिव होगा. Here in this case this is at the upper side of this positive displacement, and this shows that lower side of this denote the negative displacement. If we add area with sign, if we add area with sign, then with sign we get the displacement. इसका मतलब कि जब चिन्ह के साथ हम एरिया को जोड़ते हैं तो हमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट प्राप्त होता है, और जब जो है बिना चिन्ह के दोनों एरिया को जोड़ देते हैं तो हमें जो है डिस्टेंस प्राप्त होता है। जैसे इफ यू ऐड एरिया विथ साइन यू गेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एंड इफ यू ऐड एरिया विदाउट साइन वी गेट डिस्टेंस। नाउ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ इन दिस केस, a moving body at the time t its velocity is v1, and after time t plus dt its velocity will be v1 plus dv. Now in this case here slope of the tangent at any point on the vt graph is instantaneous acceleration at that point, so that we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base here dv by dt. Tan theta is equal to dv by dt, and this is known as acceleration. This is known as instantaneous acceleration. Now we know that v is equal to u plus at. We arrange this at plus u, or y is equal to ax plus u. Y v represent at the y axis, so that we write the v in place of v y is equal to ax. T is represent in the x axis, so that y is equal to ax plus u. This is just like y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of straight line, and here in this case slope represent the acceleration, and intersect represent the initial velocity in this case here. Now we here add constant acceleration. Acceleration is a constant here. In this case we know that a equal to tan theta, that is known as slope, so that area of the trapezium area here in this case x equal to half sum of parallel side. This is a u and this is a v, and this is equal to t, so that sum of parallel side u plus v, and distance between them is t here, so that 1 by 2 u v, putting v is equal to u plus at, v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion, so that 2u and t comes here, 2ut plus at square, and half of cancel ut plus half at square x barabar equal to, so that in general we write the s equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion with constant acceleration. Now we know that v was equal to u plus at, squaring both sides. Here v square equal to u square plus 2uat plus a square t square. Now u square plus 2a, here in this case 2a, take the common 2a, so that here ut plus 2, so that here write half a, here a t square as ut plus half at square is equal to x s, so that v square is equal to u square plus 2a s. This is the third equation of this is the third equation of motion. This is the third equation of motion. Now we take some problem here. Here question 1. Position of a particle moving along x-axis is given by x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t cube. Now here x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t के power 3. Find the position of the particle at t equal to 2. Putting t equal to 2 here, putting t equal to 2 here, x equal to what? 3 into 2 minus 4 into 2 का square plus 2 के power cube. Here 3 2 जा 6 and 2 2 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16 and 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. So that this is in this case 8 and 6 14 minus here 14 minus 16, so that this is equal to minus 2. In this case, find the position of particle at t equal to 2 seconds. Its position will be minus 2. Now, second part, find the displacement of a particle from t equal to 2 to t equal to 4 here. This is a first. Here second, x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t cube. Find the displacement of particle from t equal to 0 to t equal to 4. Put at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0, displacement will be x equal to 0, because putting t equal to 0, all parts are equal to 0, and at t equal to 4 second, 4, putting in this x equal to 3 into 4 minus 4 into 4 के power 2 plus 4 के power here 3. In this case, now this is 4 3 are 12 minus 4 चौका 16 चौका 64 64, and this is also equal to 64, so that this is equal to 12. It means that delta x equal to 12 here. Delta x is equal to 12. This is the second answer. Find the displacement of a particle. Displacement of particle will be 12 here, and C. Find the average velocity of the particle from 2 seconds to 4 seconds, so that at t equal to third, at t equal to displacement, t equal to 2 seconds, here t equal to 2 seconds, displacement will be minus 2, t equal to 2 seconds, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, and at t equal to 4 second, 4 second, x equal to t equal to 4 second, x is equal to 12. Here x is equal to 12, so that delta x is equal to 12 minus 2, that is equal to 14, and that is equal to 14, and delta t equal to 4 minus 2, this is 2, so that find the average velocity of the particle. Average velocity equal to delta s by delta t. Delta s equal to 14 and delta t equal to 2, that is equal to 7 meter per second. Now, question number here, fourth part. Find the velocity of particle at t equal to 2 seconds. As you know that t equal to here t x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t cube. Now we find out dx by dt differentiate with respect to t. Here this is equal to 3 and this is minus 4 2 square nxl minus 1 2t plus this is 3t square. Now find the velocity of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 seconds, so that dx by dt at t is equal to 2 seconds. Here in this case putting this 3 minus 4 to the 8 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square, this is equal to 3 minus 8 to the 16 and 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Here 4 3 is 12 here. In this case, now 3 minus 16, in this case 3t square and t equal to the 4, 4 3 is 12. In this case, this is equal to 12 3 15 minus 16 here. Minus 16 here. Here 3 and 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 12 3 15 minus 16. This is equal to minus 1 meter per second. This is the velocity of particle. Now we see another second. Question number 2. Swan moving with constant acceleration cover a distance between 2 points 180 meter apart in the 6 seconds. Its speed as it approaches the second point is 45 meter per second. First, find its acceleration. Second, its speed when it was at the first point in u, and the distance from the first point when it was at the rest. Here, let us suppose that constant acceleration is equal to a and t is equal to t, so that v equal to u plus at, v 45 and u a t is equal to 6a. This is the first relation, and now s equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to 180 meter. u t equal to 6 and plus half a t square 6 chi square, so that here in this case this is a 180 equal to 6u plus 6 is 36 and 18a, and this can be written as this is a 2 by 1 and 2 by 1 and 2 here this can be written as we multiply here 3 5 3u plus 18a equal to 3 15 का 5 हासिल 312 13 and this is a 6u plus 18a equal to 180. Now subtract it here. In this case this is a cancel and this is equal to 3u equal to subtract this here. Now here 45 is equal to u plus 6 relation first, and s equal to ut plus half at square, putting the value of s is equal to 180 meter, u t is equal to 6 second and 80 6 chi square 106 u, and this is 6 is 36 and 18a. Now multiply 3 by 3 equation 1 3u, and in this case 3u plus 18a equal to 135, and this equation subtraction this minus 3u is equal to minus 45, so that u is equal to 15 meter per second. This is the speed when it was at the first position, so that this is the second equation. Now by 1 u plus 6a equal to 45, putting the value of u here, we get acceleration is 5 meter per second square. This is the answer first and this is the answer second. Now we know that v square plus is equal to u square minus 2ax, putting the value of u, v at the rest position v is equal to 0 and 5 to the 10, so that 10x is equal to 225, so that x is equal to 22.5 meter per second. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.